This is Babbacombe. She's talking about my haircut and she's laughing, look.
It's very trendy. Really trendy, peaky.
There, I'll see. How'd she pick those flowers? There's a cliff train down here, but I don't think it's working. Or I don't know, there's someone sitting on it, I think. Well, there's the cliff railway, but unfortunately it's not actually working. But that's what we could go down in, and it takes you down there. £3 return, it takes you down there. Contactless preferred, no cash payments. And guess who spotted that first?
Oh, yeah.
If you look carefully inside the train, they're obviously decorating the place and painting it, and they're leaving all the paint and ladders and everything inside the train itself. That looks like the best beach down there. That's the one that they call the best beach, but the rock there to the above the beach is crumbling. It looks like it's coming down. Same colour as the sand actually, so that sand down there, it's reddy in colour. Must be the rocks all broken up. But that's supposed to be the best beach around. I hope this doesn't cost a lotter. Oh, it shuts at 5. Oh, we better get in there quick then. Okay, everything shuts here, 4 or 5, whatever. This is actually quite nice. Look, quite a few people in here too. Great views out to sea. They do take their time to serve though. They're having a nice time. Very nice. I think we found an old folks home here. Oh, I'll say it quietly then. I think we found an old folks home. There's definitely an older person's home type of atmosphere going on here. Now this is our second coffee and we don't even get it in a cup now because the place is closing soon and he doesn't want to wash up. So he's given us paper cups in a posh hotel. The milk's gone in, but we haven't even got a spoon. So Bont's gonna go and get a twig or something, or I'm gonna have to use my finger to stir it. Bont's had to use the old spoon that she's just given back with the crockery. Would you believe that? In the time I went to the loo and back, all of the electronic shutters have come down and they're throwing us out at 10 to 5.